Presidential Communication Operations Office, or PCOO, held a workshop as a call for better leadership. In attendance were agencies under PCOO, including the People's Television Network, Philippine Information Agency, and the Presidential Broadcast Staff, or RTVM. Let us hear the report of Mai Mapili.
Successful leadership is bound by cooperation, which necessitates the steps towards public service. In a bid to exercise public information and transparency in government agencies, the Presidential Communication Operations Office urged national agencies to strengthen their bonds. As proof, the agencies perform monthly department accomplishment reports spearheaded by the People's Television Network, Intercontinental Broadcasting Corporation, Philippine Information Agency, Philippine Broadcasting Service, Bureau of Communication Services, News and Information Bureau, National Printing Office, and the Presidential Broadcast Staff, or RTVM. Likewise, workshops were held to enforce the directive on the International Organization for Standardization and the Philippine Quality Award.
The thrust of our Secretary Sani Coloma now is also to let our attached agencies and PICO proper be aware of what this one is, and maybe we could jumpstart with the different processes.
The seminar zeroed in on customer satisfaction and employee productivity.
In doing this, it will be very good for government agencies to ISO certify their processes so that the delivery of basic services and all kinds of government services shall be satisfactory to customers and to the general public. And in this way also, the productivity of employees is improved.
The accomplishments of the administration or the Philippine Development Plan were also discussed, including its current application in the lives of the Filipinos and government measures towards inclusive growth.
Importante talaga na nagkakaisa yung lahat ng ahensya. Yun yung, in fact, panawagan ng PDP. Kailangan natin ng convergence. Kailangan, kung ito yung sinasabi natin, kailangan tutukan na sektor, kailangan tutukan ng mga locations, geographic areas. So sana yung ating mga programa magkaka-link o magkakatugma yung mga programa na i-deliver dito sa mga priority sectors dito.
This is Mai Mapili for News at 1, Junior Edition.